In this video, we're going to talk about scientific calculators. Now, calculators come in a variety of sizes and styles. They've come a long way since the very early calculators, which may have only had 4 functions. Some calculators can also look very similar, but be very different. Here, I have 2 calculators that look very similar. This one, however, is a business calculator. So if I wanted to calculate car payments or mortgage payments or something, I would use a business calculator. This one here, same company, but this is a scientific calculator. It has all the things that I'll need on it for the formulas and calculations that we'll be doing. They can get a little fancier. You can get to a graphing calculator, which has a larger display on it, which you will actually see graphs as you input the variables. And this is just another little scientific calculator here, so they come in a wide variety of styles and price ranges. One of the things you want to do is get familiar with your scientific calculator. You need to read the manual on it. Some of them like things entered in different ways. Some things are common to them, and I'll show you the things that are more common that we'll work through in our formulas. One of which is the display. Now, you may have to put it in. You can see a little DEG on the display, such as this one here means it's set for degrees. You may need to set it for degrees. A couple other things that we use frequently. Log button. You can see it here, just LOG typically on a button. And the other one that we'll use frequently is the reciprocal key, and this is just represented by a 1/x on the key button. Some of these may operate a little differently. One of the calculators I have here, to be able to enter the log function, there's a button here, and I believe it says LIN here at the top, and up here just above the button it says log. And here, what I need to do to enter a log function is actually hit a shift key, and that gets me into the function above the button, listed above the button. So this is where you need to get familiar with your scientific calculator so you can use it properly. We use these functions a lot. When we go to design or install a system, we want to be able to predict ahead of time how that system is going to perform. And once we've installed it, we're actually going to verify how that system performs through test and measurement. If you don't have a scientific calculator like one of these available, Windows actually has one in their program. You can go to Accessories, Calculator, drop down the View menu, and you can select between a standard or scientific calculator.